Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, just in time, new data coming in still supports a significant storm, excessive snowfall, up to a foot of snow, if not more, in some locations. Obviously, a very high impact storm. Quiet for now, hard to believe after a beautiful day today and even tonight. I mean, it's cloudy, it's cool. Temperatures aren't terribly cold, but things change dramatically overnight and especially into tomorrow. Some of the strongest wind will be felt in places like Newport and along the coastline. And no surprise, it's a coastal storm, so clearly coastal areas will have stronger winds, gusting at times up to 50 miles per hour, coupled with heavy snow. So we take a look at the storm impacts, and of course leading the way is very heavy snow and large accumulations, high impact, strong gusty winds, and outages. Now, the snow may not be as heavy in terms of water content, but there may be enough snow and there may be enough stickiness to it in some locations, especially southeastern Massachusetts, out towards the Cape, to cling to tree limbs and power lines. Combined with some strong wind, there'll be some outages, so I would certainly plan for that just in case, and charge your devices in case the power goes out. You can certainly stay with Eyewitness News and follow the storm, your tablets and your phones and things like that. As far as widespread heavy rain and flooding of that, we don't see that. It's mainly a snow situation, and obviously poor travel, planes, trains, automobiles. I mean, really the Northeast corridor from Boston down through Providence, Hartford, JFK, LaGuardia, even into Philadelphia. Those airlines or those airports significantly impacted. So threat tracker this evening remains low, but it doesn't take long to bump things up to red. So initially we're going to start off as a light mixture of some rain and snow, and then heavier snow after around 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. By 4 a.m., 5 a.m., it's really coming down hard. There's already a couple of inches on the ground, and it just continues to get worse throughout the morning and even into the afternoon hours. Heavy snow and wind and difficult travel at times. Blizzard-like conditions with the strong wind, the snow coming down at the rate of 1, even 2 inches per hour. Very poor visibility, and it doesn't take long to really start to accumulate on the roads. Temperatures are cool but not extremely cold, mid and upper 30s, but the atmosphere will cool down overnight through tomorrow to support a mainly snow situation. Tiverton, you're at 39 right now, waiting for the snow. Our developing storm is off the Carolina coastline, third nor'easter in 2 weeks. And once again, seeing signatures on the satellite and radar composite that shows an intensifying storm. You see, usually when these storms are tracking off to our south and east, to the north and west of the storm, you get this expanding area of precipitation, what we call banding. And this is the moisture that's headed our way for tomorrow. Again, some of that heavy snow. As the storm tracks, you really need it to track right near what we call the benchmark in order to get significant snow in southeastern New England. And the benchmark is about 150 miles south and east of Nantucket, right about here. So when we get storms, coastal storms, especially strong ones that pass in that location, chances are that you get more in the way of significant snow, at least for southeastern New England. Futurecast shows this well. This is well after midnight. The storm is tracking north and east. The shield of dark blue indicates the heavier snow. This is 7 o'clock in the morning. Dark blue, still some heavy snow bands, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Tomorrow evening at 8 o'clock, still snowing at a pretty good clip, though the trend once we get beyond 8 o'clock is the intensity really kind of shuts off. It's just light snow and gusty wind as the storm is passing off to our north and east. Getting real close as far as what we expect for tomorrow morning. Yeah, just like this, large flakes coming down sideways, increasing wind, accumulations that are rapid, temperatures in the lower 30s, poor travel and gusty wind. And just more of the same, looking like this during the afternoon as well, with temperatures in the lower to middle 30s. As far as the hour-by-hour accumulation, on average, 5 in the morning up to 3 inches. By 2 o'clock in the afternoon, already closing in on 10. And by late afternoon and early evening, between 12 and 14 inches. Some areas getting more than that. So here's the deal. In this light blue area, 8 to 12, that's the Connecticut-Rhode Island border. But, Providence Metro, Warwick, Woonsocket, southeastern Massachusetts on the order of 12 to 18 inches of snow. And the problem is at times for several hours, it's going to be coming down at 2, 3 inches per hour, where it's just kind of like a sheet of white coming out of the sky with this very heavy snow. So there's your storm for tomorrow. Some scattered snow showers, nothing too serious on Wednesday. And then the rest of the week is fairly quiet under partly sunny skies. skies and temperatures in the lower 40s. So yes, significant storm on the way, up to a foot, if not more, in some locations. Of course, new data is still coming in, so more information tonight at 11 o'clock. And then Eyewitness News is on a half hour early tomorrow morning at the 4 a.m. The entire weather team is here covering this for you. So it's coming, and it looks pretty significant as far as travel.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, Tony. And due to the storm, the WPRI 12 and Fox Providence job fair scheduled for tomorrow has been postponed until Monday, April 30th. Job seekers still have time to sign up to attend. Just go to our website, WPRI.com.
Caught on camera.